Electric pole. Energy meter 220 V-volt. Main double pole circuit breaker MCB. Electric pole line meter connection phase. Electric pole line meter connection neutral. Line volt 230 volt 50 Hz. Meter to MCB connection neutral. Meter to MCB connection phase. Earth leakage circuit breaker 1 PSC. Miniature circuit breaker 5 PSC. Distribution board. Main MCB to distribution board MCB phase connection. Main MCB to distribution board MCB neutral connection. ELCB to MCB line connection. Circuit breaker 1. Circuit breaker 2. Circuit breaker 3. Circuit breaker 4. Circuit breaker 5. Link neutral. Earth leakage circuit breaker to neutral connection. Switchboard. Switchboard to 1 miniature circuit breaker connection. 2 miniature circuit breaker outlet. 3 miniature circuit breaker outlet. 4 miniature circuit breaker outlet. 5 miniature circuit breaker outlet. Switch outlet light load. Switch output load connection. Neutral output load connection. Switch on light on. Switch off light off. Thanks for watching the video. Don't not forget to like and share. Please subscribe our channel.